will make air pressure experiment. Now I'm telling you what we need. First, we need a bottle, then another bottle of water, but we put food color. It's your own choice to put clean water or food color. We put food color to show you the result is perfect. And then we need a knife, a balloon, and a straw. Now let's start to our experiment. First step, we take the knife and twist a hole inside the bottle. But guys, you have to help. Your elders will help you. Do not do. Your hand will be knifed and will bleed. And now I'm starting and making a small hole for our straw, the size of the straw. And I'm done. Now we are putting the straw inside the bottle. Water inside the bottle. So I will take something to help me. And now let's see. I'm putting it inside, guys. And guys, okay guys, now I put all the water. After this, guys, we take our something. Yes, guys, I have already put the colored water inside the bottle, and now I'm blowing my balloon. Yes, I blew my balloon, and now I'm twisting it. And I'm putting on the bottom of the bottle. Yes guys, I put, and now I will twist again. And let's see what happened. Look guys, it's coming guys, look. Wow. Wow. And guys, you can do like this at home. And you see, it's like a clean water. If you put, it's like a tap, and you can like fill it and then you drink it. Yes guys, we came in the last of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to open the reminder bells. Bye bye in my next video. And now let's see, if I punch the balloon, what will happen. And you can see guys, it stopped to leak, and then I'm leaving it and it's coming again.